On RTS-DC1, I'm going to go to Manage, Add Roles and Features. And in our wizard here on Before You Begin, I'll just click Next. Role-based or feature-based, we're always using that for everything we install. I'm on my RTS-DC1, so that's the right machine. And I'm going to choose DHCP server from the list, and that's going to install the DHCP role and all the components we need. So I'm going to choose Add Features, and we will accept the defaults for everything else. Now this does give us a description of what DHCP will do, which is automatically assign IP addresses. And it does tell us under things to note that you need one static IP address on this computer, which I have. And before you install DHCP, you should have already planned your subnets, scopes, exclusions. Really, the entire design of this should have been planned before we even install DHCP. Now I'll just continue and click Install, and that takes just a minute to install. Now that that is done, I can complete the DHCP configuration, or if you click Close on this window before you think about completing that, you can always go to this Notifications here, and it has that same complete DHCP configuration. So if I select that, it tells me that it's going to create these two security groups, the DHCP administrators and users, and it's going to authorize this server if the computer is actually joined to the domain. So I'm going to click Next. Now that's going to create the groups, but here it says, do you want to authorize this server? I can skip AD authorization, or I can authorize now, and these are the credentials I'm using. So I'm actually logged in as administrator. I'll just choose Commit and Close, and that's it. I can close this. When I go to my administrative tools, DHCP server will now be in the list.